Good morning, children. How are you? All are safe at home? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, in previous class we are discussing the comparing the 5-digit number. Are you remember that? What we are discussing? Comparing numbers, arranging numbers in ascending order and descending order, and also we are studying predecessor and successor. What is predecessor? Before the number. Successor? After the number. And also we are discussing forming numbers. Are you steady? How to forming the numbers? How to form the largest number? How to form the smallest number from the given digits? Okay. Today we are discussing new topic. Before discussing, I will ask one question. Okay. Are you visit supermarket? Okay, now it's not possible. But before the situation, are you visit supermarket? Okay, then they will give the bill. Are you notice that some amounts are changing? They say that discount. They're like, so I wrote here. Sometimes your bill become 2,568. They told you to give 200. Sorry, your bill amount is 2,568. They told you to give 2,570. To pay 2,570. Okay. Then it's like converting the numbers. We say that rounding of numbers. One name is there in maths. Okay. This is like converting the numbers. We have one name is there. That is rounding of numbers. That is rounding of numbers. Today we are discussing rounding of 1,000. Rounding of 1,000. Are you studying the previous classes rounding of 10, 100? Okay, this year we are discussing rounding of 1,000. Before discussing rounding of 1,000, we will check it the rounding of tens and rounding of 100. Are you ready? Okay. 35. Rounding of 10. How are we rounding? Rounding of 10 means we will take the tens place. Tens place which is the number? Sorry, tens place which is the digit 3. Okay, so 3. Then after the tens place, what is the number or what is the digit? 5. 5 or after tens place, 5 or more than 5. The digit is 5 or more than 5. We are adding 1 to the tens place number. Okay. We are adding 1 to the tens place number 4. The tens place number changing 3 to 4. Tens place number changing 3 to 4. Then remaining left side, there is no number. Right side only one digit, that putting 0. So rounding of 35 is 40. Got it? Rounding of 10 means we are checking the tens place. Tens place is 3 here. 3 means the next number is 5. 5 is after the tens place. 5 or more than 5, we are adding 1 to the tens place number. So 3 plus 1, 4. Then left side there is no number. Right side we are putting how many numbers are there, that much zeros you put it. Okay. Then we will check it the 100. Rounding of 100. Rounding of 100. 378. Here rounding of 100. Then which place we want to check? Hundreds place. 100 place is 3. Here 3. 100 place is 3. Then after 100 place, what is the number? 7. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it's more than 5. So we are adding 1 to the 100 place number. Okay. Here 100 place is 3. The next place is 7. 7 is more than 5. So we are adding 1 to the 100 place. That's 4. Okay. Then we are writing 100 places. Change 3 to 4. We are changing the 100 place number 3 to 4. Then right side 2 digits. We are putting 2 zeros. So 378 rounding of 400. Okay. Anyone have a doubt for rounding of 100? Okay, that you already studied. So you know, no need of doubt here. So next we are checking rounding of 1000. Rounding of 1000. Okay. We are discussing about 5-digit numbers. So I wrote here 5-digit numbers. $37,830. We want to rounding of 1000. 37,813. We want to rounding of 1000. Then rounding of 1000. In rounding of 10, what? Which place we are checking? Tens place. Rounding of 100, which place we are checking? 100 place. So here rounding of 1000, we want to check the 1000 place. Rounding of 1000, we want to check the thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here 1000 place is which number? 7. So we are writing 7 first. Then we will check next place. After 1000 place. Okay, after 1000 place 8 is there. Okay, 8 means 8 is less or greater of 5. Yeah, greater of 5. So then after 1000 place, 100 places. 100 place number is 5 or more than 5. We are adding 1 to the 1000 place number. So we are here 100 place is 8. 8 is more than 5. So we are adding 1 to the 1000 place. What we get? 8. So the digit in the 1000 place is changed to 8. Okay, in 1000 place 7, which is changed to 8. So 1000 place is 8. Then left side there is no need of changing, same number we are putting. Then right side, how many digits are there? That much numbers, that much zeros you put it. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. So we are putting 3 digits. Okay. Okay, some more problem we will check it. $63,121. Okay, rounding of 100 means what? Which place we want to check first? 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here 1000 place is 3. Then after 1000 place, 100 place. 100 place which number here? 1. 1 is less or more of 5? Less. So we want to add 1 here? No. We are adding 1 here? No need. Okay. So the same number. The 1000 place, there is no need of change here. Then remaining after 1000, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So we are putting 3 zeros. Okay. Left side, there is no change the digits. So 63,000. Rounding of 63,121, we are rounding 63,000. Okay. Then one more problem. I think this is second problem. Okay. Third problem. $71,581. Okay, we want to rounding off 1000. What we want to check first? Thousands place. Thousand place which number? 1, tens, 100, 1000. Thousand place is 1. Okay, after 1000, 100 place. 100 place which number here? 5. 5 or more than 5 we are adding 1. Okay, to the thousands place. Here 100 place is 5. So it's equal to 5. So we are adding 1 to the thousand place value. Thousand place is 1. So we are thousand place is 1 plus 1, 2. So the thousand place digit changed 1 to change to 2. The thousand place 1 changed to 2. So 2. Then left side there is no change, 7. Right side how many zeros we needed? 3 zeros. Okay. Fourth problem. So rounding off 71,581 is 72,000. Different cases we are checking now. Okay. Then 89,532. 89,532. What we want to check first? Thousand place which number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Thousand place is 9. So we are writing 9 here. Okay. Then 9. 9. Then after 100 places. 100 places 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we want to add 1 to here. So what we get? 10. So 1000 place we will get 10. So we are writing this like numbers 10. Then left side there is no change, 8. This is correct? This is correct? No. Here 2-digit numbers are there. So we are adding 1 to the left side. 10 plus 8. Okay. 10 plus 8 we will get, what is get? 90. So this is wrong. Here we are adding the 1000 place number to 1, we will get 2-digit number. The tens place number we want to add to the left side. So here 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So 9. Okay. Then this 0. This 0. Okay. Then how many zeros we want to write? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Okay. 89,532. Here 1000 place is 9. Next 100 place is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we want to add 1. So 9 plus 1 we will get 10. In this case we are adding 1 to the 1000 place number. We will get 2 digits. That cases we are adding the 10 place number. After the value 10 place number you add to the left side number. So here tens place is 1. 1 you add to the left side, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then the 0. Then after same method, putting zeros. 100 place and tens place, 1 place, putting 0. Now 89,532 we rounding off 90,000. So one rule is there. I will show one chart for you. Here steps to round off numbers. Steps to round off numbers. What are the steps? Look at the digit to the right of the rounding digits. Okay. When rounding off to the nearest 1000, we look at the 100 digits. Here we are looking the hundreds digit in cases. Ones here, 5 here, 5. Okay. Then 2 cases are there. After looking the hundreds digits, 2 cases are. If it is less than 5, the 100 place is less than 5, we keep the rounding digits the same and change the values of the digits to its right side to 0. Okay. The remaining hundreds, tens, ones place putting zeros. Then if it is greater than, the 100 place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we are changing the digits. And equal to 5, we add to the rounding digit and change the values of all the digits to its right side, right to 0. Same way, here, this is, I show you, here 100 place we will take it, it's 5 or more than 5, we will add 1 to the 1000 place and remaining right side as 0. Then 100 place is less than 5, we are no need of adding 1, the same numbers are there. Okay, this is for the steps to round off numbers. Okay, now you are understanding? We will do more problems later. Okay, thank you.